Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I'm going to I'm going to show you how to develop an GUI based calculator using the Python very simply with the help of Pycharm. So the simple calculator, all of you, when a user press anything 4, 5 like that, will print display result here. So in the simple calculator, you can perform the operation like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Whenever you give clear button, it will clear all the information. So when I press equal, it will give you the print like that. Let's go for a session today. So I'm going to show the simple program. It's not even more than 200 lines. Very simple with the help of Tkinter. So Pycharm already the coding written here. I show the output also. So here the coding written. So remember you heard now about the Tkinter. So Tkinter means was one of the. So today Python provides lot of methods to develop the GA based application, that is graphical user interface. Here one of the familiar is Tkinter. Here we can use everything here. So Tkinter is there. So Tkinter, why we need means with the help of Tkinter, already modules available. We can develop any application very simple and easily with attract anyone. So here I'm writing the coding here where the program purpose of the program what create and simple GUI calculator using the Tkinter. So first of all, I'm importing the package called Tkinter. Then I'm going to use the expression. Then I'm going to use the function to update the expression in the text entry box. So here we need some buttons in the calculator box. What are some buttons will be there? The buttons occupy the numbers and so on, some operators also. So I'm in the view of that one, I'm using the global expression. Then I'm going to use concurrent. I'm using the expression is equal to expression plus string of number. Then update with the help of the expression by using the set method, that is equation dot set expression and function to evaluate the final expression. Very important because we had defined the equal plus. Then I got to give the conditions try global expression. Then I'm using equation dot set total. So whenever press, for example, user press 2 plus 2, it will print the answer of 4. Whenever user press 4 multiplies 4, it will print the answer of 16. So that reason I'm using these all the methods here. Then functions I'm using to clear the contents of the text entry. So by mistake I'm doing something, I can press the clear button with the user clear the press clear button and clear whatever the content in the calculator displaying. Then driver code using as usual. Then I'm using everything here. So I'm creating a GUI window with the help of GUI is equal to TK off. Then I'm using set the background color, where the background color I'm giving light green. So if you want, you can change some other color, red or purple, whatever you can give. So whatever the color giving, the window will display with the help of this only. Then I'm going to set the title of the GUI window, that is simple calculator. Then I'm going to set the configuration of the GUI window, that is 270 multiplies 150. So like this, just now show the frame here. Then I'm using the equation where I'm going to create the instance of this class. Then expression field. Then I'm using all the methods and create a buttons. Button 1 is equal to what, and so on and so on. Then I'm going to give grid of like that I'm giving. So as of you know, if you want to perform all calculator perform operations, we need these buttons. That is numbers from 0 to 9 and press multiplication symbol, division symbol, clear button, and so on. So that reason only I'm developing this coding here. So button 6 over every button have some options. GUI text size is 7 and color is black and red. Mostly I'm giving the same color for the buttons. Then like that I'm giving all the buttons and writing the coding. Then press button, I'm giving the lambda. So I'm using, and the main thing is for performing the simple calculation using the Tkinter, I'm using the lambda function. So lambda number lambda, we need everything. If you have doubt, you can verify my tutorial. There will be a basic class already taken long back. So then I'm using the multiply button. So multiply the numbers. So when you go Pycharm, it will do display the explanations. Why you need like that. So text and so on and so on. So a clear credit, I'm giving everything. At last, I'm going to stop the window with GUI.main loop. So when I give the instruction stopped, at last it display the output. So once you give the run button, so it will display the output like this. So run button. So I'm giving new share here. So this is the output screen when you use it. So just I'm going to press here 4 plus 4 will print 8. So 8 multiplies, just I'm giving 2. Sorry, so I'm giving clear. So I want to multiply 8 multiplies 2. Just giving, it will say printing 16. So now I can minus, sorry, clear. So now I want 4 minus 2, it will print 2 like that. So I can perform the operation 5. For example, I want to perform 5 divided by 1, it will display the 1 like that. So 5 divided by 1, 5 only. So like that, you can perform the simple calculator with the help of Tkinter GUI method is in the Pycharm. I hope that you understand video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.